I'm going to walk through adding MIDI support to Node-RED running on the Raspberry Pi. There's two steps to this. First, I'm going to install a Raspberry Pi package called libasound2-dev that is required by the Node-RED MIDI node. So go ahead and click on the terminal and then type in sudo space apt-get install space libasound2-dev. Press return, and this library will get installed. Once this library is installed, I can close out this terminal window. Secondly, we'll add the Node-RED contrib MIDI Windows node. By clicking on the hamburger menu, click on Manage Palette, click on Install, and where it says Search Modules, I'll just type in MIDI, press Enter, and here's the module that I want to install, Node-RED contrib MIDI Windows. So I'll go ahead and click on Install, click on Install again, and wait a bit. All right, we can see that nodes added to the palette, a MIDI in and a MIDI out. So if we take a look at our palette over here on the left, there it is, MIDI in and MIDI out. So that's how we add MIDI support to Node-RED running on the Raspberry Pi. Thank you very much for watching. Stay creative.